integral 1 by a sin squared x plus b cos squared x dx. For this type of sums, we have to divide the numerator and denominator by cos squared x. 1 by cos squared x divided by a sin squared x plus b cos squared x by cos squared x into dx. 1 by cos squared x means secant squared x divided by sin squared by cos squared tan squared x plus a squared sin squared x b squared cos squared x, a squared b squared, a squared b squared dx. Take t equal to tan x, dt equal to secant squared x dx. So I equal to dt by a squared t squared plus b squared dt by at whole square by b squared. One by b tan is of x by a. In place of x we have at by b. Coefficient of t is a divided by a plus c. 1 by ab tan is of a by b. In place of t tan x plus c. 1 by ab tan is of a by b tan x plus c. Here we have applied dx by we have applied this formula. One by 2 minus 3 cos 2x dx. 1 by 2 minus 3, in place of cos 2x we can write cos squared x minus sin squared x. 1 by 2 minus 3 cos squared x plus 3 sin squared x dx. So dividing numerator and denominator by cos squared x. 1 by cos squared x divided by 2 minus 3 cos squared x plus 3 sin squared x dx. Secant squared x 1 by cos square x secant square x 2 secant square x minus 3 plus 3 tan square x equal to secant square x dx two into 1 plus tan square x minus 3 plus 3 tan square x. Two plus 2 tan square x minus 3 plus 3 tan square x. Five tan square x minus 1. Tan x equal t secant square x dx equal tt I equal to dt by 5t square minus 1 root 5t whole square minus 1. One by 2a log root 5t minus 1 by 1 by root 5. Since integral dx by bx whole square minus a square equal to 1 by b into 1 by 2a log bx minus a by bx plus a plus c. One by 2 root 5 log root 5 tan x minus 1 by root 5 tan x plus 1 plus c. Next concept, integrals of the form a sin x plus 1 by a sin x plus b cos x into dx 1 by a plus b sin x dx 1 by a plus b cos x dx 1 by a sin x plus b cos x plus c into dx. Algorithm. T equal to tan x by 2 dt equal to here sin x can be written x 2 tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2 cos x equal to 1 minus tan square x by 2 1 plus tan square x by 2. You take t equal to tan x by 2 dt equal to secant squared x by 2 into 1 by 2 dx 2 dt equal to 1 plus tan squared x by 2 into dx 1 plus t squared here 2 dt into dx. So see dx equal to 2 dt by 1 plus t squared. So that sin x equal to 2t by 1 plus t squared cos x equal to 1 minus t squared divided by 1 plus t squared. So for this kind of model, you have to take t equal to tan x by 2. So dx can be replaced by 2 dt by 1 plus t squared. Like that sin x can be replaced by 2t by 1 plus t squared. Cos x will be replaced by 1 minus t squared by 1 plus t squared. This substitution should be made to solve this kind of sums. One by 1 plus sin x plus cos x into dx. Tan x by 2t dx 2 dt by 1 plus t squared sin x 2t by 1 plus t squared cos x 1 minus t squared 1 plus t squared. I equal to two dt by 1 plus t squared sin x 2t by 1 plus t squared cos x 1 minus t squared by 1 plus t squared. So I equal to 2 dt by 1 plus divided by 1 plus t square plus 2t plus 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. 2 into dt by, this will be cancelled, 2t plus 2, 2 into dt by 2 into t plus, this will be cancelled, that is log t plus 1 log tan x by 2 plus 1 plus c. Integrals of the form dx by a sin x plus b cos x. You take a equal to r cos theta, b equal to r sin theta. A square plus b square equal to r square plus r square sin theta, r square into cos square theta plus sin theta, that is equal to r square. R equal root of a square plus b square. R sin theta by that is b by a. Tan theta equal to b by a. Theta equal to tan inverse of b by a. So r equal root of a square plus b square, theta equal to tan inverse of b by a. So a sin x plus b cos x equal to r cos theta sin x or sin theta cos x or into sin x plus theta. dx by r into sin x plus theta 1 by r into log tan x by 2, that is x plus psi equal to 1 by r log tan x by 2 plus theta by 2 plus c. r equal to root of a square plus b square, theta equal to tan of b by a. Therefore, r is root of a plus in place of theta equal to right, tan of b by a. Root 3 sin x by plus cos x dx equal to 1 by r log tan x by 2 plus theta by 2 plus c or root 3 whole square plus 1 square, that is 2 tan of b by a, tan of 1 by root 3, that is pi by 6. So 1 by 2 log tan x by 2 plus 1 by 2 into pi by 6 plus c. One by 2 log tan x by 2 plus 5 by 12 plus c. So this is a shortcut method. If you know this formula, you can do this sum quickly. Integrals of the form a sin x plus b cos x divided by c sin x plus d cos x dx. So numerator equal to a into d by dx of so numerator equal to a into d by dx of denominator plus mu into denominator. So a sin x plus b cos x equal to a into derivative of denominator. So c cos x minus d sin x plus b into d cos x. I equal to a into cos x minus c cos x minus d sin x b into c sin x plus d cos x whole divided by c sin x plus d cos x. So I equal to a into, if you differentiate, you will find this here. So log of c sin x plus d cos x plus integral, this will be same, b into dx plus c. So to illustrate, we will see example in the next session. Thank you.